In the intricate ecosystem of the hospital laboratory, every procedure plays a crucial role, but there exists a threat to disrupt the delicate balance of this environment. The phlebotomist believes she's found the key to efficiency: underfilling the tubes. With each drawer, she fills them just enough to meet the minimum requirement, convinced she's saving time and sparing her patients unnecessary blood loss. When a phlebotomist fails to fill a tube to its required capacity, a chain reaction is set in motion. First, the contents must be painstakingly transferred into nesting cups, a laborious task that consumes valuable time and resources. But the consequences extend far beyond mere inconvenience. False negative blood cultures emerge, casting doubt upon the accuracy. Morphology errors ensue. What was once a clear picture becomes clouded with uncertainty. To clot or not to clot? With a partially filled tube, it is a gamble. And finally, analytical errors arise, wreaking havoc on the reliability of laboratory results. In the intricate dance of the hospital laboratory, the underfilling of phlebotomy tubes stands as a cautionary tale, for when one element falters, the entire symphony is thrown into disarray.